Just a very quick video, folks. I am going to be doing quite a few videos on this, as you know, looking at charging in particular, cost per mile, daily commute, weekly commute, that kind of thing. And I'm going to be doing a detailing session at the weekend, but I just thought I'd show you how the car's arrived. Pretty impressed. There was one issue I noticed, which is here nor there. I don't know if you can see this on camera. Where is it? Well, you can see it, but basically there, it's been touched up with a stick, a touch-up stick. But as long as I logged that, there's a slight misalignment there. Bonnet fits nicely. That seems all pretty level. Does seem to pick up a lot of bugs. I've only been about 2 miles and already there's a load of bugs on it. Paintwork looks in good order.